Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having Chinese food.
Miss Chin.
But wait a minute, why are we having Chinese food today? Yeah. I don't understand.
For me get a new haircut, you're going like, you know, sure.
Because it's Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building. Where we at with it, cuz right now?
We're hungry. So we have Chinese food, like I said. I have chicken and broccoli with white rice. I have beef mi fun noodles. And Richie has shrimp and broccoli with white rice. We have crab ragoons. And then we also have some spring rolls. We are hungry.
Are you getting napkin yet?
Yeah, I took a piece. Okay. I took a piece of it. Alright guys, we hope you guys are gonna have a good weekend. We have a couple of announcements to make. What we're gonna eat first.
I'm gonna consume.
Richie said consume, or consume?
I'm gonna consume first, they're gonna eat. Let me consume first.
I love mi fun noodles more than lo mein. I love how thin it is. And I like to put 2 times spicy sauce on it. Don't knock it till you try it.
Bussin'.
Bussin'.
Alright, let's eat a little bit first before we give out the announcement, you know? Wow. Sonia, see? I got my spoon today. You know? I can bring it. Good?
Not that hot though.
It's hot. Let's get my first day. Family! This is the first day they have lashes them. You feel me? Lashes first day.
My lashes. My lashes.
Wow. Family, we are hungry today. You know what I'm saying? Let's eat some first and then we're going to tell you what's going down.
Yeah.
Class.
This is the original hair color. This is the color that I like. That I wanted.
Yeah.
The other one was nice, but this is what I like. It's what I was going for. Sorry, my love. Go ahead.
Good. I eat my 2 times there.
What you guys got planned for the weekend?
What they say?
One person going to a wedding.
Really?
That's really nice.
That's nice. Don't let the pandemic step in.
Stop it, right?
Really?
Somebody else going to Vegas.
No way.
Yeah, that's what the family member said.
Wow.
A wedding and Vegas.
Jam for me. Real. Crunchy. What's your favorite dish from the Chinese store? Not mine, it's carrot. This one can't share today. That's a crunch.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video yesterday with the kids and our challenge. And I hope whoever we called out, I hope you guys do it.
Yeah. Do it, man.
It's really fun.
It's really fun. It's a really fun challenge. It's a good family challenge. Hope y'all do it, okay? Alright. Wow. You look so happy.
I really am. You know what?
Why?
No, I'm not telling right now.
Okay.
We soon tell you.
Let me tell you. Tom, I think I'm gonna need a fork for some of the noodles, you know.
Come on.
Alright, family. Listen up. So, the last video I said, if anybody could guess First Lady birthday, they don't get that big shout out. You know what I'm saying? So, the person that got it,
the only one
that got it was Angel Gemini. Good job. Woo! Big up yourself, okay? Yep, you was right. The 21st.
That was a good guess.
That was a good guess. And you got it right, so shout out to you, Angel Gemini. You know what I'm saying? One of the big supporters of family member them too, you know? You know what I'm saying?
That was day one.
Day one. But wow, other than that, listen, we got a bigger surprise. First lady, when they see this video, where we at when they see this video? Let them know, First lady.
So, no one
Guessed it.
correctly, but by the time you see this video, me and my hubby, okay, my boo thing, my love, we will be in Dubai.
Woo! Dubai, family.
I'm in Dubai!
All day. Come on, family. I had to go hard, family. You already know what it is already, family. None of y'all guessed it, but yeah, some good guess. Africa, Bahamas,
Very good guess.
Mexico, Jamaica, Vegas. But now y'all wouldn't think Dubai, huh? That's First Lady dream trip.
A dream trip.
When First Lady talk, sometimes she think I don't listen. But I act like I don't listen, you know what I'm saying? To just throw her off. But I listen, family. I listen and I consume. You know what I'm saying? So, she's been wanting to go to Dubai forever. Dubai to go ride camel.
Go to the desert.
And to go to the desert.
And see the architect.
But I said it won't be no better time. I'ma do it big. You know what I'm saying? You know, cause she reached a milestone, you know? So I had to surprise her with that.
He surprised me very well. I'm in Dubai right now, having fun.
So
I'm not asking you, I'm telling you.
So keep watching. You're gonna see the vlogs, okay? Well, yeah, that's where we at with it right now. So, long flight.
Long flight. But we did it.
But we did it. It was worth it. You know what I'm saying? It was worth it. She deserved it. She deserved it, you know? Really deserve it. I got a good First Lady.
Like I told you guys before, traveling is not expensive. Just put some money to the side. Put it to the side.
Yeah, yes! We there. Come on now. We're there. I know what they're gonna say. Wow, really? Dubai? They even made sure. Yes, you made sure your phone wasn't down because you probably didn't hear them. Yes, we there. Okay? But I'm saying that's what it is. That's where we at. Full?
Just finally, you know, you're eating something and you're so hungry that finally your food, your belly is like settled. Because you know, when you are hungry and then you eat something, it takes a couple of bites, like several bites, for you to finally feel like, okay,
Yeah.
I'm not rushing the food, right?
We might give you a vlog. While we there, not a vlog. My back. My pronunciation alive. Might be.
Oh.
While we on the balcony.
Ooh.
No, seeing the whole of Dubai.
That'd be nice. That'd be nice.
You'll never know, so keep watching that phone. And if you didn't subscribe, subscribe. You reach this far, every 13 minutes ain't changing the video. Come on now, do it.
You can't set the time?
If you don't subscribe, you're not gonna get that. You're not gonna win that lotto. You're gonna subscribe. If you're subscribed, you're not winning lotto. Okay? Subscribe. For everybody that been watching and not sub, but you know what I'm saying? Now's the chance to sub. Make it happen.
Can I do 2 times by yourself?
Yes. Make it happen. All right?
I think they also saying to themselves, wow, they really back because they dropping back for Friday, all kind of stuff. Yeah, man. We told you guys. Okay? We're back. Dropping them for you guys.
Yeah. So you didn't tell them how you got surprised? For your
They're gonna feel the vlog.
Okay.
They recorded my reaction and everything. You guys gonna see it.
Okay.
That's what Richie's telling you. Stay tuned.
You never know. Okay, family? Yeah. Thank you. I know. You did good.
He did really good.
Appreciate it.
He did good. So I'ma do good.
I like that. What happened in Dubai, stay in Dubai. Know how it is. Wow.
So put down in the comment section. Put down in the comment section where is your ultimate vacation place? Your dream vacation. If you could go somewhere, what would your dream vacation be?
That's a
what
good
does
one.
that look like?
Wow. We're gonna see. I want to really see what they say.
Yep.
Wow. That makes sense. I like that. I want to see what some of them say.
Yeah. You know, I definitely want to go to the motherland.
So give some rice, my youth. You want to go to the motherland next?
Motherland.
Me? Again, the guys is just regular with their birthday, as I said before. I don't care. Once I can swipe my card, I don't care about nothing else. All I care about for my birthday. Women is different. You gotta go all out for the lady, you know? But first lady always do good on my birthday, you know? You know what I'm saying? Well, yeah. We watching to see, Come on.
Didn't you tell me? Oops. Didn't you tell me that I gave you too much food?
Yeah, you did. I mean, I know. Yeah. Actually, she gave me a lot of food.
He stood in the kitchen. He was like, I don't know. He looked a lot. But he says that all the time. You can't take him serious.
When I say I get a lot, I mean I have a little bit. Why the camera say you got 2 minutes left?
To do what?
Battery. Is it? Look right there. Where it says 2 minutes right there. Is it tell you how much minutes left?
Something ain't right.
Yeah, something not right. We gotta check that out.
Yeah, we gotta check that out.
Family, we don't know what's going on.
Yeah, something ain't right.
These batteries be dying fast. What are we missing? Do we have to go to a setting or something?
No, because this battery was charged fully. Alright?
But you see it, right?
No, man. I don't have my glasses on. Don't be judging me.
You're looking at your hairstyle and your eyelash.
Let me tell you something. You see my nails? I'm doing it up. But it's really not much. It's just, what I call it? Natural, neutral.
Yeah, that's my other one.
But my toes, got my toes done. My eyelash done. I'm gonna be 40, y'all.
40 and fabulous.
Thank you, baby.
Yep.
Something wrong.
Yeah.
I'm going to call.
Yeah. Call them back. Because that battery shouldn't be finishing so fast.
Should not.
Are we not even using it? This camera better don't mess up when we doing our stuff.
I know. And it's not as if we're recording for 3-4 hours.
Yep.
Oh, I'm recording for 15 minutes. I don't like that shiggity. You probably get us some used batteries.
Gotta get some used batteries for real. We gotta press them. Real talk. But yeah.
Oh? You never fool money.
You never fool money, don't you see? Family, we were lying on the battery. It's space we gotta make.
Yeah. So, I gotta put the memory card in.
I was about to say, yo, you full? Okay.
But you've been telling me to put the memory card in.
And this somebody tell you had a whole week of your birthday. You acting up.
I have been acting up.
Alright, family. It's that time. You know what I'm saying? We ran off our mouth with y'all, you know what I mean? You know how it is already. When you get to these parts. So this is what we're gonna do for y'all. Again, if you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. You know what I'm saying? So listen, I got a good word for y'all. I hope y'all like it. First Lady, ready? Family, you ready? All right, First Lady, family. Well,
I got 2 in here. You got 1?
One. I agree to my youth. Okay. Word of the day. Word of wisdom, you know? Family, First Lady, listen to this one. Say goodbye to drama, toxic people, self-criticism. Say yes to more happiness, love in your life, and time with good friends.
I love it.
You like that one? Did I say it again? All right. If y'all didn't hear, this is a segment at the end of the day. If y'all can relate, just relate. You know what I'm saying? Again, say goodbye to drama, toxic people, very important, and self-criticism. Cut that out. You don't need to do that, all right? Say yes to more happiness, love in your life, and time with good friends.
I love it. I love it.
Family, even though First Lady get on my nerve, that's my best friend. At the end of the day, that's who's gonna have my back, right or wrong. You tell me for your significant other, and in the day she's gonna have my back, even if I'm wrong.
You're damn right.
She's still gonna have my back. So appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. He just changed the portrait. Thank you for rocking with us. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe. And they are, you want to read that to them first? Or you can read that to them because you're looking at it.
And you guys are the Greedy family. What this says, since I had 2 of them, it says, really, really great people make you feel you too can become great. That is true.
It just went with it, almost like the same thing.
Almost like the same thing. That's right. And then, solid gains are possible today, but with a headache.
Okay.
See, I'm a headache, but
Yes.
I'm also a gain.
Yeah, exactly. And she's solid too. You know it. There you are, First Lady.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you next time when we're not in Dubai.
Ah, good one.
For another mukbang.
Bye.